Hello everyone, welcome to TechPista. In this video, I'm going to show you how to capture multiple screens by using free software. Today's many screen capture software available online, but all the software supported to capture one screenshot at a time. If you would like to capture multiple screenshots, then how can you do this? PicPick software provide this feature as a tap concept and make the multiple screenshot at a time. Let's learn how you can do this. First, you have to open the PicPick.app website. Then you have to click on the download. It will be moved for the download page. Here you have to download the free software. Once downloaded, you have to click on the exe file. This will be open the software setup window. You have to click on the next. Then you have to choose the path where you would like to install the software. Then you have to install that. After installation complete, you have to click on the finish. Now the software will be open. They have provided the menu option. You can capture the full screen, the particular window, region, and many options they have provided. So we have just test for the multiple screenshot. So we have to minimize this. So first we have to select the region. So now the captured screen will be open. So now we have to capture the one more image. So we have to go to file. Again we have to click on the region. Then this time I would like to capture this. That's it. So now the selected region has been captured the screens. So you can also check it out the old screen here. You can also create the multiple screen by using this method. So you can create the many screenshot by using this software. It will be open as a tab concept. You can also save the all images by one click. So you have to go to file. Here you have to click on the save as. Here you can select the file format what you would like to save. So if you would like to save the all images by one click, you have to click on the save all. Then it will be open the save all window. Here you can choose the path. Then you have to choose the file name. Now we can change the file name. You can also change the file format and click OK. Now we have to open the saved path. Here you can check out the all saved file. So in this way you can create the multiple screenshot by using PicPick app. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any question, enter the comment section.